So the desk that I ordered earlier in the week finally arrived today, and so I got to setting it up. I really liked the look of it and was excited to put it together. Had a little faux pas with putting the first board around the wrong way, but after that I got to work and it was pretty easy to do. Only trouble I had was trying to figure out the small screws from the bigger screws because there was only 10 millimeters difference, and it took me a while to realize which ones were which. But overall, it was really simple and easy, and I quite enjoyed putting it together.